Hello everyone, this is Ali Hosseini. I want to show you something very cool that's going to help real serious marketers. If you are an online marketer, you get your website on the search engines, you drive traffic to your website, you run AdWords or whatnot, you have to know how to use this tool. It's a free tool by Google. It's called Page Speed Insights. First, I'm going to show you a website, SEO company OC, one of our competitors. Nice looking website, I like it, and I want to analyze this website. You can do this for yourself, you can do it for your competition, or for anybody else you like to. So I would copy and paste the URL in this field and wait for the results. Okay. You see that it's showing us a very nice 4 numbers at the very top. Performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO. This is for mobile devices. Don't worry about that 66. I mean, that's not really bad compared to some of the other websites I've seen. Some of the big companies are much worse and they get A+ or A for the other performances, SEO, best practices, accessibility, and performance is really what we're interested in. This is the speed of your website that loads. It looks at a few different numbers here that you can look at. Page index or speed index number. This is how long it will take for your website to load. 4 seconds on mobile devices. It's not that bad. And it also shows how the website loads in the first few moments. And the nice thing is on the bottom, it tells you exactly what problems your website has on mobile device as well as the desktop. You can see this is the desktop. So on the desktop, they're doing much better. 1 second load time, which is pretty cool. 67 score, not too bad. And they have some issues that they need to address and they fix. Next, I'm going to analyze our own website to see how bad we're doing. Let's see, cross the fingers. See, our website is doing worse than they are doing with 4.3 seconds speed, and we get a 56 score on our mobile device. We have some issues that we need to fix. And you can see the issues here listed. And then if I go on desktop, okay, desktop doing much better. Our website actually loads in less than 1 second, 0.7 seconds. Wow, that's incredible. And then it has much less problems on desktop version. So we'll get this fixed and show it to you guys next time. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Wait for the results.